Hello, Patrice. How you doing? All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm going to go through the instructions here, the written instructions, and then we're going to take a look and look at each other side by side here to determine if there's any areas that could possibly be misinterpreted. And okay, so we have 1 cup of rolled oats. We have one C here. How do we know those are rolled oats? I mean, just looking at this right now, looking at this just like this, how does the viewer know that's rolled oats? They don't. I mean, there's no way to know. So think about how you're going to present that as rolled oats without using any words, of course. And I think that a logical explanation there would be to include a package of rolled oats, reminiscent of Quaker oats, but of course with no words. So you have 1 cup of oats and you have 2 cups. This is milk with the cow or water. I would definitely recommend coloring those blue to indicate water. So other than not knowing that that's not oats, I think this is pretty good. This is a pretty good depiction of 2 cups, water, milk, or both. Okay. So we're going to show that. We show that inside the pot. That's good. One little tip to carry forth to the infographic poster is try not to change perspective on different elements. That could create some confusion. So if you have a perspective of the pot, just keep that. So that this would be this 3/4 perspective of the pot with this shot should be a 3/4 perspective of the pot with the ingredients in the pot. Okay. Now, so right now I take that back. It looks like you've gone to placing the oats and then now you're placing the milk. But there, it's 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. Here, you're just showing milk, right? So we need, and how much milk, right? So we need to know that that's 1 cup of milk, or 2 cups of milk, or 2 cups of water, or a combination of both. So we need that specifically clear in this frame. In the next frame, you say bring to a simmer, stirring frequently. Okay, so this looks like it's almost, I mean, this looks like it's set really high. Those flames look really high. So this is stirring frequently. I'd put an arrow and maybe another one around the other side. But stirring frequently, but we're not indicating simmer. This appears to be a high temperature, which could indicate bring to a boil, which of course would ruin the recipe, right? So then we have add butter, salt, etc. That's great. And then you have simmer until desired consistency. It says 10 to 20 minutes, so this says 20 minutes. So we need 10 to 20 minutes to be depicted here. Also, you're showing these other ingredients. How do we know that's butter? How do we know what these ingredients are? That obviously is honey. That could be, what could that be? I mean, we don't know. It's not specifically clear. So the butter, I mean, don't forget to be really clear here. I mean, don't give the audience an opportunity to get lost or to misinterpret. Explain as closely as you can, as carefully as you can. Okay, then over here, this is stir, top with goodies, and serve. Okay. All right, so I mean, those are my recommendations. I think that there is opportunity for misinterpretation here, and I think by describing it the way I did, I think it brings everything kind of to light. So let me know if you have any questions, but I would like to see those areas addressed, and let me know if you need help, any further help. I'll be glad to provide anything in terms of help or clarifications that you need. Just let me know. All right, great start. Thank you very much.